In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Instagram Account Center. First, go to Instagram and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Account Center to manage your connected experiences across all of Meta's platforms. In the Account Center, you can add or remove accounts from Facebook, Instagram, and Meta Horizon. You can tap on Profiles to see the profiles that are currently linked, and if you want to add a new account, tap on Add Accounts and follow the prompts to add your account. Keep in mind that Instagram and Facebook prefer you to sync up your profiles, so changing your name, profile picture, or contact information will change it on both platforms. If you want to unlink the two profiles, tap on the name in the profile section, press the account that you want to change, and then toggle off the Sync Profile Info option. Another feature is sharing content across profiles. So if you want to automatically share content from Instagram to Facebook or vice versa, go back to the Account Center and tap on Connected Experiences. Then click on Sharing Across Profiles. Then, choose your account and you can toggle on Automatically Share to share your stories, posts, and reels between platforms. And finally, if you want to remove an account from the Account Center, go to Accounts and tap on Remove next to the account that you want to unlink. You can then use the account separately with different names and personal information. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.